So I'm going to talk a bit about the telemetry software and how to set it up. So once you connect to the Raspberry Pi network, you want to go to a browser and type in the IP address of the Raspberry Pi. So in this case it's 192.168.0.4 and then the port number, which is 8080. So as you can see, the primary telemetry graphs appear, and along the side we have data selection, which is for selecting data from the different parts of the car. We have the data link, which is to connect to the car through the XB module. We have the utilities, which is to configure the settings for the Raspberry Pi network. We have the stored data sessions, which is to load data sessions and also to save data sessions. And we have testing, which is to test the graphs when there is no connection to the car. So if we press start and then navigate to the ECU graphs, we can add waveforms to the graphs by selecting the data from this drop down, selecting the graph, selecting the colour, and then pressing add. We can also overlay the graphs by selecting a different waveform and selecting the same graph in a different colour. So you can see that this is easy for comparing two waveforms. So I'm just going to stop this and then go to DB sessions and load in a database session. So here we can see that the saved data loaded in. So this is the primary graphs. We can also see the map data. So this shows the track line which the car travelled around.